Today we're gonna take you for the boat trip to Keri Caves, through Turtle Island and Cameo Island. Really wonderful views. Trip costs €25 per person and it takes around 3 hours to go through all of it. You can also hire your own boat, which costs approximately €100 and more, depends how long and how many people. The one which we took is on a boat for maximum 20 people. With us was around 13 people and was amazing. And you can also see turtles, beautiful animals everywhere. So enjoy this one, you're gonna love it.